This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing your environment and making the first list. Open reminders and confirm iCloud Sync is on so items stay across devices. Once done, tap New List, name it clearly, work, groceries, or projects, and pick a color and icon to visually separate it. Then add your first reminder by tapping New Reminder or use Siri to dictate one. This saves time and sets the list structure. Make sure lists are named for purpose so you can sort quickly later. Now you'll build each reminder into a useful, action-ready item. Tap a reminder to add details, notes for context, a URL for reference, and priority so urgency shows. Then set date and time or choose a location trigger, arrive or leave, to automate alerts. For recurring work, configure repeat rules. Use subtasks to break complex items, attach photos or scans, and apply tags to group across lists. This makes searching and smart lists much more powerful. Finish by polishing workflow. Share lists for joint tasks and rely on smart lists to surface what matters, today, flagged, or tagged items. Once complete, mark items done to keep the list current and archive or delete finished lists. If reminders don't sync or new items vanish, check iCloud reminders toggles and internet connectivity, then sign out and back into your Apple ID if needed. That usually resolves conflicts. If problems persist, restart the phone and retry. Simple resets often clear caching bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.